NFC can bring change into networking, especially social networking. Hello all, I'm Nikhil from iGeeks blog, and today in this video I'll show you how you can use this NFC technology to build your network. Yes, I know this is an off topic and not related to everything Apple, but this is something really great hack for networking that caught my attention and I thought why not to share it with you all. So I'm here with this amazing technology. In this world of social media, you might have seen this video. A girl taps into someone's iPhone and share her TikTok profile to follow. If you have not seen that, here is a video, take a look.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Oh, Arv, I never got your TikTok.
I got you.
Wait, what? What?
Whoa.
What? How did you do that?
Now you have so many questions like, how did she do that? Is it a feature of a TikTok? Is it only work with the iPhone, or it's a feature of iPhone? Hey, hold on. Don't think too much about all this question and focus on this video because I'll answer all of them over here. So this is a near field communication, or you can call NFC technology, and not a particular TikTok, iPhone or any other smartphone or a social media feature. It is a simple tech that you can use to share your phone number, email address, website address, YouTube channel or a video link, Instagram profile, TikTok profile or whatnot. You can share any digital property you have and want to share with others instantly. The only requirement is this one NFC tag, and the recipient person should or must have support for NFC. Let it be iPhone or any other Android device. This will work for sure. And the great thing is you can own this NFC tag not at the major price, but like just in a $1. Amazing, right? Let's get an idea of how you can use this tag. So basically you will require this thinner NFC sticker. You can buy it from Amazon. Don't worry, I'll link them below. To set it up, you will need to install one application called NFC from the App Store. This is a very basic application and easy to understand. Like, the first option is NFC Reader, which reads the NFC tags. The second is NFC Writer, which does the job for us. The third is NFC Expert, to read the remaining memory of the tag, format data or a tag. Fourth is Code Reader, to read the barcodes or QR codes. And the last one is the settings of this app. So basically you will use the second option to set up an NFC tag to build your network, social media network. Navigate to NFC Write. From here, tap on the plus icon from the top. Pick in an option like what you would like to share with the help of this tag. A business card, any Siri shortcut, your address, any web link, Wi-Fi credentials, just a simple text or a telephone number or a SMS. In our case, or I must say, especially in my case, I like to share my YouTube channel with people and I want them to subscribe to enjoy the content about everything Apple and more content like this. And not only them, but I also want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on all the notification to never miss such a great content. I hope you have done that. As I said, I would like to share my YouTube channel link. So I'll pick the option of web link. Type the web URL and tap on save. You can also add multiple items from the list like your TikTok, Instagram or other profiles. To give you an example, let me add my popular Instagram profile URL of iGeeks blog. Now it's time to write this information on the tag. But before that, first understand one thing, and that is we can assign only one digital property to an individual tag. So if you wish to share more than one profile, you will require more NFC tags for each. Like I'll create 2 different tags for my YouTube channel and another one for our exclusive app iGeeks blog. Got that right? Now let's get back to the setting of things. To assign URL to NFC tag, make sure you have selected it like this. Now tap on the Wi-Fi kind of icon and it prompts you to hold your device next to the writable NFC tag. Just do that like this and writing is successful. To make sure, navigate to home screen and bring this NFC tag near to your device to read it. And it's done. Now stick it to your back of your smartphone and start building your social network quickly. This was amazing, right? And really a great use of technology for everyone and especially for influencer. I hope you liked it and found it very helpful. If yes, then please like this video and do share this video with your friends and family. And yes, always stay connected with iGeeks blog by subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'm Nikhil signing off. See you guys in the next amazing video like this. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected.